I personally find animation to be one of the neatest things that we do around here. And it's interesting to see the design team, the video team, and the strategy team all work together to create a piece that really goes the distance to convey the client's message to its audience.
When I received the concept from the strategy team, I looked to see first, what are we trying to communicate? And then I try to see, well, what would be the best mood, what kind of style, what kind of motion would keep the viewers engaged throughout the entire piece. And creating original art is one of the fun parts of animation. Whether it's a character you're creating or maybe it's a product that your client has that you need to do in 3D, but we'll start at low fidelity with sketches, and then we'll bring it into Illustrator or Photoshop, layer on some textures, some color, and really at the end of the day you have this amazing original artwork that really communicates for our clients. We'll sketch out the scenes and what belongs in the scenes, and so we really have an idea of what we're looking for and what we want to accomplish with each scene before we build them. The next step is to communicate with the animator of how it's all going to work together.
When the design team hands off an animation project to me that they've designed, they give me a series of screens that spells out how it should come to life, and it's my job to make that come to life. One thing that's really fun is when those graphics come to me. They're designed well, but they're designed with some freedom, which allows me to use my creativity in how things should flow on a page and tell a story. Each animation piece has many scenes, and sometimes scenes have sub-scenes, and you have to really think about how you're animating it, that way they can play together nicely. But you also have to think about how you may transition from scene 1 to scene 2 to scene 3. Most animation pieces that we get to do here have custom narration, and they guide you through how the piece flows. And we had the privilege of recording that narration here right in our own house. In addition to that, we pick a music track, or sometimes we write a music track to make it, flow and fit the piece. But I think the most fun part is doing the sound design. So if you see the overhead of a city, you might hear the car horns and the little dogs bark.
It's exciting to me to watch all of the teams here work together to create a piece that not only is visually engaging and fun to watch, but that really conveys the client's message in a way that's unique and different and helps them stand out with their audiences.